Friends, families, and future clients, this is your dependable broker, Broker Nick. I'm here right now in Palma Real Residential Estates, located in the boundary of Santa Rosa and Biñan in the province of Laguna. This 28-hectare property is a joint venture project of Santa Lucia Realty Development Incorporated and Crown Central Properties Incorporated. Ayan, Palma Real Residential Estates is considered as a hidden gem among all neighboring villages in the Nuvali area. This community is strategically located in all major recreational spots and tourist spots in Santa Rosa, Laguna area, and it also has close proximity access to all major establishments such as malls, hospitals, and other commercial establishments within the area. Major point of interest with regards to hospital are South Luzon Medical Center and also Qualimed Medical Center in Nuvali. With regards to schools, very near po ang De La Salle University in Canlubang, Xavier University and Miriam College in Nuvali. With regards to major access to highways, nandyan po ang Calax, ang South Luzon Expressway, and also the old highway connecting to Tagaytay. Pagdating naman po sa mga amenities, Palma Real can offer clubhouse and multipurpose hall. We have a covered basketball court. We have a tennis court, a badminton court, kids playground, a neighborhood park, and a serene view of the hills of Nuvali. So let's take a tour of this very beautiful community and let's enjoy the view. Tara! Guys, let me show you yung mga amenities dito sa Palma Real. So, let's begin with the clubhouse. Tara! ito po yung clubhouse natin. So, ito po, dito po natin pwedeng i-held yung ating mga functions, events, ayan. So, pwede po nating ma-rent. Then, this is the swimming pool. So, right now po kasi it's ongoing cleaning, but just imagine, once mag-swimming tayo dito, ito po yung maging view natin. View po natin yung mountains of Cavite. Ayan. Then, here is our basketball court. Ang basketball court po natin is covered. So, puntahan po natin sila. Let's go. Then, ito po yun. Meron po tayong tennis court. So, this is our tennis court. Ayan. So, tennis court. Dito po, pwede po tayong mag-play. And, here is our basketball court. Yan. Ongoing repainting yung basketball court natin dito. Yan. So, kindly, pakita natin yung basketball court. Ayun po. So, ang maganda dito, kahit afternoon, pwede tayo mag-play kasi nga covered yung basketball court natin. Yan. Ito po, makikita nyo. So, opposite our clubhouse, yan, meron po tayo ditong mga greens. Yan, full of trees. And nandun po yung ating kiddie playground. Yan. So, kompleto po ng amenities dito sa Palma Real. And of course, yung view. So, napakaganda. So, nasa heart po tayo ng Laguna. So, located po ito in Biñan, Laguna. And malapit na malapit po siya sa Nuvali. Yan, here in Palma Real, they are offering two types of properties. One lot only, lote lang po, and the other one is house and lot. Yung lot only po natin, meron po tayong mga limited units na as low as 150 square meters and as high as 320 square meters. Sa atin naman pong house and lot, yes, meron po tayong package na around 5.8 million and as high as 6 million. So, depending na lang po kung ano po yung needs nyo. So, if you need to contact me, just kindly contact me sa details below. Yan, thank you. Yan, this is a sample property na available ngayon. So, actually, hindi ko lang makita yung pinaka-mohon niya, but this is a 150 square meter property. So, just use your imagination. So, it's around 10 meters by 15 meters yung depth, para 150 meters. Now, why do we need a lot to buy a lot on the property? So number one, hindi po bumababa ang value ng lupa. And number two, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Palma Real, napakalapit niya sa Nuvali, sa Calac, sa napaka-accessible, and lahat ng mga major establishments and needs natin, makikita natin dito sa Palma Real. Yan. And number three, yung payment po natin dito, yung payment terms po natin is napaka-flexible. So, just contact me po para mapakita ko sa inyo. But, nonetheless, ang maganda dito sa Palma Real, buo na po yung subdivision. So, hindi nyo na po kailangan imagine kung ano magiging itsura pa nag-purchase kayo dito. Ito na po yun. So, napaka-serene, napaka-peaceful. Yan. So, talagang yung living experience po natin dito is hindi talaga matatawaran. So, thank you!